Hi, hello. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Angel, and I'm up on a lift, enjoying one of the last runs of the season, if not perhaps the last run of the season. And a little sky drama for you I thought you might enjoy. Up here we get a little gray versus blue action in the sky almost every day, all day. Some days it's just pure gray or pure blue. But most days there's a little sky drama going on. The sky changes all day. It's one of my favorite things about coming to a place like this with a spectacular view is that it's never the same view twice. It changes all the time, all day long. Isn't that amazing? I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you've probably seen this particular view in general before, but the clouds were different, the lighting was different, I was a little different, everything was just a little different. And that's the same in your world, your view, no matter whether you got some sky drama to focus on or not, is right now is a new moment, and it's not the same as any past moment. It's a little bit different, so you get to make whatever you want out of it. And if you like being beholden to the story of yesterday, by all means, that's one way to go. That's the way a lot of us go. I do that quite a bit myself. But if you're not happy with your story or your past, or, there's just nothing to keep you from just dropping all of before and just living right here and now in this moment. Enjoying the view, appreciating the fact that it's unlike any view that's come before or that will come after it. Similar to so many, and yet completely unique. Just like you're similar to so many. We have so much in common, you and I. And we are completely unique. That's the bead trees. They're sparkling in the sunshine. Some more sky drama for you. See how it's different already? Just ever changing. Just like you, ever changing. Only, and maybe the sky gets to be deliberate about it too. I don't actually know. It's a good question to ponder. But I know that you and I do. We get to have some say. We don't get to have all the say because we're not the only deliberate creators in this universe right now, but we get to have some say. We get to deliberately create some of the things we want. We get to choose how we act, how we think, what we believe. And in doing that, we help to create this moment, which helps set up the next moment. We're ever getting ready, right, for the next moment. I would just remind you, don't get too caught up in the last moment or the next moment. Enjoy this moment. Whatever sky drama you're under, appreciate its beauty, its dynamicness, its transitory nature. The fact that it is never the same twice, and yet often similar, huh? Trying to find you a good view without a bar in the way there. Maybe that's it. I'll leave you with some sky drama and some positive vibes. I hope you're smiling wherever you are, feeling the love, feeling the joy, taking deep breaths, and letting go of the past. Peace.